My name is Jessie Bate, and this is for class LED 525 for Professor Harmon, and it's for nonprofits and government. In the case of the Hershey Trust, I am asking you, as legal counsel, that you, Mr. Fisher, as the Attorney General, to side with the trust instead of the community at this time. Some of the ethical issues that may come into play is that the fiduciaries might not make the right decision on who to sell the trust to if it is sold, because this may cause some job losses to the Hershey community. However, the major concern at the moment is a financial one. The sales have declined for the Hershey company and isn't able to provide, or may not be able to provide, the funding that oversees the trust for the school that is providing the cost-free education for the male orphans. The trust is feeling like the funding is not diversified enough at the moment, and because it is not diversified enough, the amount of money that the school needs to pay all of the staffing and supply what the students are in need of as well. Without the funding, this program might not be successful for years to come. So we need to remember that as a board member of the trust, they have duties to uphold and rules to follow as well. One of those rules is a part of the Uniform Trust Code in Section 814. It states that they should exercise a discretionary power in good faith and in accordance with the terms and purposes of the trust and the interests of the definition of a nonprofit board. So with that, I would strongly ask you to consider siding with the trust instead of the community. And I thank you for your time.